All right. How's it going, guys? So we're talking about XRP here. Why I bought XRP. So I've been holding XRP since 2010. So I made a few amount of profit. I'm gonna be actually exiting out of XRP in a bit. And not because I don't believe that XRP is gonna continue rising. It is, but from my view and whatever and wherever we're standing right now, for me, it's better to just take out the profit that I made, use that same profit, invest it on something else, or whenever XRP decides to drop again, invest on it, right? So why did I buy XRP, right? So we saw that there's major moving sideways here, correct? And if we go on a 4-hour time frame, we see that there's major movement. Here was one, right? If I just go show you what I'm talking about here, that's one major movement. It went down, sideways, boom, exploded. Same thing here, exploded, right? What I'm seeing here is that there's major resistance at the 65 level, 63 level, right? It can XRP can barely break through there, right? So I might see a retest from the 56 area, 54 cents possibly, correct? Don't quote me on that. We'll double check that right now. Why? Just to make sure, right? All right, let's zoom in on the 4-hour time frame, right? Big major sellers, there's major resistance here. So if I want to see where XRP is gonna go, let's see, right about here. Where's that? That's around 58 cents, right? So let's just assume, or let's just say that XRP hits either 58, 56, or 54 cents again before going back up, right? Here's the thing. If XRP breaks through 58, 56, and it's not able to break up again, 54 cents is going to be an easy breeze. Going to come down, and it's going to test these levels of the 40 area cents. Other than that, if it breaks these levels, XRP is going to come back down. That means Bitcoin, all those hyped up Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever you want, all the cryptos, they're going to come down. Not because there's, see, crypto, people only talk about crypto whenever it's going up. Like they're like, oh, I'm so good at trading this, just buy. And whenever everything's selling, or they're like, oh, it's selling, just sell, right? Like they're not actual traders. When you want to look at a trader and see that they have transparency, they know what they're talking about, whether it be an up market, a down market, or just a sideways market, if they're making profit, they know what they're talking about. Like, yes, they're going to have losses. There's always going to be loss in trading, like losses in trading, right? I've lost many times. I've won, but I've lost more times as well than I can count, right? So that being said, don't focus on those, especially Twitter. There's a lot of crypto Twitter hype, and people just tend to buy or sell by what other people say, and they don't do their analysis, correct? So I always try to do my analysis. I try to break things down into perspective where I can be like, all right, so if this doesn't work out, what am I going to do? What's my risk tolerance? Am I able to afford to lose this? Stuff like that. So in this scenario, I bought crypto at 52, went up to 64. I could have taken profit, right? Because it's just a scalp. But I see the potential that crypto has, that XRP has here. It could potentially go to 72 cents, 75 cents, where I was potentially trying to close on my trades from there, correct? But here's the thing. Now that I'm seeing this, I could potentially just get out of my trades here and call it a day and get my profit, and use that money for, like I said, for other investments, or once the XRP becomes lower. But if we look at this, there's major sellers coming in from the 60 area, from the 60 cent area. And if we go back to the daily time frame, look at this. Back to the daily time frame. It's on a major resistance zone, And I wouldn't want to risk the profit that I made just because, I'm greedy, So there's one or two things that could happen. If XRP breaks above this, above 65 cents pretty much, 75 cents, 80 cents is a promise. But the likes of that happening is 50-50 because there's a lot of selling pressure. And if this thing doesn't break through, we're going to see the sub 30 levels again on XRP. And that's when I'm going to go all in and just buy more, right? So I'm going to make this a short video. Just what I see on XRP. if it breaks above 65 cents, it's still a good buy. I mean, I'm not going to keep buying, right? But it's still for good buys to 70, 75, 80 cents reference. So if it breaks above 65, the highest I see it going is probably 75 or 80 cents. If this doesn't break 65, we could see again a potential big short for our crypto market. So if y'all have any cryptos, I'm not saying all to close your trades, right? I'm just saying try to leverage what you're trying to trade, try to leverage what you're trying to lose, correct? So because trading also it's all about risk management and having that mentality. If you don't have that mentality, you're always gonna keep losing, and we don't want that, right? We always want to win and keep those losses small. And if you see things going against you when you place a trade, try to cut the loss off as soon as possible. That way you're still profitable, right? So I'm gonna end this here. Just a short video. XRP breaks 65, going up to at least 85. Doesn't break 65, we could potentially be talking 50, 40 cents again. And from there, we're gonna be scaling to see if it's gonna continue the trend up or if it's gonna go sub 30s. But other than that, this is all that I have for y'all, and stay safe as always.